Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something pretty cool with LEDs. So as you guys know from my previous video, I did this on the headlights of my truck. So once again, we got the LEDs, we got the converter, and we got the box to control everything. And as you guys seen before, I've gotten to build some pretty cool things. Well, I've only built one thing with this, but it came out pretty cool. So this is what we are doing today. So these are made by wokeuconcepts, and usually they come with just a solid white light in it, but you know, couldn't leave anything alone that has to deal with lighting, so I threw the custom touch to it. So everything's controlled off of your phone. Let me just slow it down. So now it's slowed down a little. It looks a lot nicer. Right now it's not pushed all the way in. There's like a little dark spot right here, so I got to get it farther in. But I threw that one in just to see what it looks like, but I'll show you guys how to do this one. Well, I'll show you guys how to do it with this one, since there's a lot more room on the passenger side than the driver's side. So with that being said, I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna finish this up. I'll run the wire to the other side, and then I will show you guys basically what I did to get it to fit into the wokeuconcept, I don't know what you call them, quarter glass things. So you guys, if you guys want a custom set for yourself to dance and do all the crazy light shows like this, then you guys could do it. So starting off, I got the controller that converts 12 volt to 5 volt. That's on super bright LEDs. I got the box from Amazon, BTF lighting. All the links will be in the description below. I know last video you guys were having a problem with a couple of the websites and stuff, and that was my bad. The person I originally bought the converter from, I guess they went out of business or something, so the website's gone. So I will put the new one down below from Super Bright LEDs. They're a company that's been around forever. We actually got the shop lights from Super Bright LEDs as well. So hopefully that one doesn't disappear. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one wrapped up like I said before, and show you guys how it's done on the other side. So, as you guys can see, it's kind of hard working in the cage. Well, it's not really that hard, I'm just a complainer. But I got it in all the way for the most part, and it looks pretty good from out here, so. You guys. So, we got it all the way in, and now it fills all the way to the end of the A. I must say, that looks pretty damn cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll out another strip, get it all soldered up, and on that side, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what I did. Alright guys, first things first, I'm going to cut an LED strip out of the roll that is got the same count of LEDs as this one does. So this one had 28 LEDs, so this one has 28 LEDs. If you guys have watched my last video, you would know that these strips have specific directions. So if you look at the strip closely, if we can get to focus, there's an arrow. So we're going to plug everything in to this side. So the way it works is there is one power in, there's data in, and then there's ground or negative in. So we're gonna get all those hooked up, soldered up, and put the strip in. And like Randy did before with the white ones, we're gonna run the wire all the way over. The control box is gonna be hidden on that side inside the little cubby, and both light strips will be connected to the same control box. So Randy has full control over the whole thing while he's driving, while he's at car meets or whatever. He's able to control what these do and what color they are. So let's go ahead and get this soldered up, get it put in, and then run the wires. So if you look, I'm like folding it over because the opening for the LED strip on the quarter glass is smaller. So all you gotta do is fold it and then you slide it in facing the inside of the car, and that's what gives you that really good backlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this side in and then run all the wires how Randy originally had them, and then we'll go ahead and plug it in and see how they look. So one thing I also did for this was there's adhesive on the back of this, and I made sure to take that off or else it kind of was getting hung up inside as I was trying to slide it in. So I just went ahead and took that off so I didn't have any issues or anything. So now I'm gonna put this one into this side and we will get the wire ran to the other side, and then I'll go over like mounting the box and everything next. So this side's in now. I have it still running off the little test battery, and does it look really good? The center of it is right here, so it's really hard to get the LED all the way to the center, which is over here, because the housing goes all the way to the edge, and you can't really press it all the way in. But I mean, you still get what it's doing. It's like kind of fading in and out of different other colors, but it fills all the way up and it lights the whole thing up really nice, which is a big plus, and it's a little bit brighter than what it was before. But now, like I said, Randy will be able to have a full control over it as he drives, at meets, or anywhere, all from his cell phone. Whew. All right, guys. Well, I climbed back here into the roll cage. Got the wires right here for this side. They go down, come to this side. Now we gotta mount the box. So I'm gonna take these wires, run them through under the cage, into this cubby, into here, double side tape the box thing to right here, and get it all wired up. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just do that right now. I don't know how Randy gets back here. It's fucking ridiculous. One thing that I just noticed that the new one has, this new box that BF Lighting just came out with, or this company came out with. Now, I saw my old video, everything was under one terminal and there are only 4 spots to put anything on this box. Well, now they made it to where you could run 2 strips off of this. So you have 2 grounds, you have 2 positives, voltage, and you have 1 clock and 1 data. So still you have to put the datas under the same terminal, but you have 2 open spots for grounds and 2 open spots for voltage or power, which makes it 10 times easier. I know a lot of you guys DM'd me on confusion of what to do and stuff. So like I said, you got your 2 negatives, you got your datas, and your 2 positives. So let me land the wires and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so here you go. You got your 2 voltages, you got your 2 grounds, and then you got both datas. Oh, let me try and focus it for you guys. You got both datas in one, and the power and negative both get their own little spot. So that's exactly how you guys are gonna wire it. Alright guys, made it out of the roll cage, so let me go ahead and turn it on and give you guys a preview of what both look like before Randy gets to see them. So this is this side. Boom. And then you go to the other side. Boom. What do you think?
Sick.
Has that little pizzazz, gives it that final touch. You ready to see it?
Oh, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. So, actually I wanna, yeah.
That easy?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. Yeah, I wanna show you the eliminate side, since
Ooh, alright.
in my opinion, that's the fire one.
So you're gonna present this to me, and you're not gonna wash my car and make it look better.
No, because the LEDs make it look better.
You're not gonna throw tire shine on the tire?
What kind of surface is this?
Whoa. Ready to get hit? You ready to get hit?
Alright, let's see it.
Alright, hold on, let's see. Boom!
Ooh, that's tight. Alright, let me see the other modes real quick. You can't really see the purple on that one.
Here, let's see.
pink.
Let's
Do something. Oh, okay. That's actually pretty fucking tight, dude. Oh, and I can control this from an app?
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Oh, you know what? Let's
Go ahead and play with it.
All right, 122. Let's change this
69.
to 420.
It doesn't have four.
Damn it!
420.
Damn it!
It was 69.
Hold on,
It
hold
was
on.
69.
I really liked. Oh yeah, let's go to 69. Let's see what 69 is.
Oh,
Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay,
That's
I'm not.
68.
Oh, that's 68. Hold on, I'm not really feeling that one. Let's do. Dude, there's so many
that's sick.
different
That one's sick. Go
modes.
back,
Hold
go
on.
back.
Which one?
oh, it was chasing.
So do I can literally. Oh, you can turn up the brightness.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Look. So it goes. That's so cool.
That's
Look, you
sick.
can go dim, and then you can actually bring it all the way up to the max,
pretty
which is
sick.
what I want to do. Oh my god, that's actually really tight. Oh, dude, it's like really. Oh my god,
Oh,
you can change the speed. Oh. Hold on, actually, that's a little too fast for me. Let's. Hold on, dude. There's so many things to choose from. Let's go faster. Whoa, that looks crazy.
Oh, that one was
Right
sick.
there, look at that. Ooh,
that
looks
was
tight. Look at that.
fire.
Can you see that on the camera?
You can't really tell.
Looks like a decal.
Look, oh shit, that is crazy. So, I don't think Isaac showed you guys, but the last one was just like one color. Dude, this one literally, you can choose it to have anything, and it's LED, right? So you can keep it, keep it on for a good amount of time and not really drain your battery. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Let's go all the way to 0. What is this?
Just 0 is just solid.
I think it's number one's like rainbow or something.
Oh, that's
Oh,
sick.
look,
Look
look,
at
see, I
that.
like that. That's pretty cool. See? Oh, see, that's something I like really
That's like
down for. Hold on. That's sick.
That one
Look,
was
look,
sick.
see?
That's-
Like
that's
it's like
the
building
chasing
up.
one,
Yeah.
It's like those headlights.
Yeah, it's like.
I'm actually like a really big fan of like like the chasing headlights. Like if you can pull it off really nicely, it looks cool. Some people they go a little bit over.
Like my truck?
No, yours is cool. But some people go overboard with that shit. So what do all these other buttons do? Oh, this moves it up 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, so I'm over here fucking circling
Trying to
it.
be precise.
You can actually switch each one, and there's like,
And if you press the center, it just goes through all of them.
oh, that's
it.
even cooler. I'm about to flex on everybody after this coronavirus thing is over. But right now, I'm just gonna flex on Tony. That's actually really cool.
Oh, haha, why you flex on me for?
I know he has a third brake light. That's pretty sick
Yeah,
too.
that's not installed yet.
Yeah, exactly.
Here you go. Thanks, bro. This is fucking crazy. Let me see your work now. You could make it look cleaner than that.
I gotta put wire loom on
I'm
it.
just
So this side is in sync with the other side. So whatever is going on this side is actually what's going on that side too. But it works exactly how it was. You turn your key off and boom, they turn off.
Tight.
And you turn the key back on and it resumes right where it was
And
before.
it's actually brighter than the other color. So I actually really like that a lot too. During the day you can't really see it, and I'm not expecting to see it.
Yeah.
But having this now, dude, that's
At night this is
dude,
gonna pop.
I'm straight flexing on everybody that has this right now. Thanks, bro.
Got you.
That was tight.
And that is a wrap, guys. Honestly, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You just have to have patience if you want to try this yourself. But yeah, it came out pretty good. This is what they look like with it off. Like I said, it's by Woku Design. I think that's their name. I'll put their his info in the description below. But yeah, this is a little custom sauce you could add. And like I said, you can't even see the controller from outside. All right, guys, and with that said, it's a wrap. Let me know what you guys think of the lights I did for Randy's S13 in the comments down below. If you guys have any questions, make sure you just drop a comment or hit me up on Instagram. I'll be more than willing to help you guys with any questions you have about lighting and things like that. So yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.